Question number 6. The function f is defined as this for x less than 0. The diagram shows the graph of y equal to fx. On this diagram, sketch the graph of in y equal to f inverse x showing relevant mirror line. So they're asking for the y equal to x line. So let's try to draw something approximate. Right, this should work. So label this as y equal to x, and then let's try to draw kind of that. You people definitely try to draw it more nicely. Yes, I'm doing in here. Just okay. Find an expression for f inverse of x. Okay, so let y equal to fx. So y equal to 2y x squared plus 4, or y minus 4 is equal to 2y x squared, or x squared is 2 by y minus 4, or x equal to plus minus root of 2 by y minus 4. Interchanging x and y. This is very basic inverse function question, very easy. So okay, so one thing we need to know, the domain of fx is the range of f inverse. So f inverse x is less than 0. From this we can see, therefore after interchanging f inverse, since it's plus minus, we'll only take the minus, which is 2 by x minus 4. That's that. Okay, here we have to know that x is less than 0 to solve this equation. So 2 by x squared plus 4 is equal to 4.5, or x squared is equal to 2 by 0.5, which is 4, or x is plus minus 2, therefore x equal to minus 2, because it's given that x is less than 0. So yes, we have to use that. Explain why the equation this has no solution. So the explanation is curves don't intersect, or you can write f inverse x is always minus v, and fx is always plus v. So the thing is, first, they are not intersecting at any point, and second, the inverse is always negative and the fx is always positive, which shows that they do not intersect at any point. Question number 7. In the diagram, AOD and BC so AOD and BC are two parallel straight lines. Arc AB is part of a circle with center O. This arc AB and radius 15 centimeter. Angle BOA, which is theta. Arc CD is arc of circle with center O. Again, this one this time. And radius 10 centimeter. And angle pi by 2 rad. This is pi over 2, or 90 degree. We need to show that theta is equal to this. So let me see first what information that we can use. So this is here 10 and this is 15. So if we can somehow find this angle, let's name it alpha, and let's do cos alpha. Hopefully we remember SOHCAHTOA TOA. So we will use adjacent by hypo. So adjacent is 10 by hypo, which is alpha equal to 0.84107. Try to keep 4 or 5 significant figures. Once we've done that, then we will just simply theta equal to pi by 2 minus 0. Okay, pi by 2 minus 0.84107. This should automatically give us the answer we're looking for. So I'm not using the calculator, so just give a rad shown Find perimeter and the area of the shape ABCD. So ABCD. Okay, give your answers correct to 3 SF figures. So first let's find arc AB, which is 15 into 0.7297, which is 10.946 centimeter. I found this, and we just use r theta. Then let's find arc CD, again r theta, which is 10 into 10 into pi by 2. We will use this angle, which is 5 pi centimeter, right? Then we need to find this BC. We can use Pythagoras for this BC. So BC squared plus 10 squared is equal to 15 squared, or BC is equal to root of 15 squared minus 10 squared, which is 10 squared 5 root 5 centimeter. Did they ask for exact value? Okay, no, they've asked for 3 SF, right? Sorry, the video stopped. Okay, so what we were doing, so we have found this length, we have know this length. Therefore perimeter, do we have space, right? We have a lot of space. Perimeter is 15 plus 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 5 pi plus 10.946. A very lengthy process. They are giving us 7, oh my god, 7 marks for this. Very easy, but you need to be very concentrated. Just put everything and use radian mode. Use radian mode in calculator. Of course, do that. So 5 pi plus 5 pi plus 10.946. Together I'm getting 62.8 centimeter. I've kept it to 3 SF. We now need to find the area. So first we will do area of triangle BOC. This one right here, BOC, and this is half into 10 into, we know the length of this side. This is 5 root 5, as we just found out in this part. So 5 root 5, we will get, oh, this is just like 25 root 5 centimeter squared. Then area of sector, let's do the first one, ODC. This is this one right here, and this is half into 10 squared into half r squared theta. I'm using half r squared theta. This equals to, let's do some, so this will be 100, so I cancel this, so 25 pi. You can do it in your calculator. So final area of OAB, sector OAB, again half r squared theta. Radius is 15 square into 0.7297. We found this in the first part. 5 into 15 into 15 is 0.7297. The area is 82.09 centimeters squared. Right, so therefore total area is 82.09 plus 25 pi plus 25 root 5. Just place all of them. 82.09 plus 25 pi plus 25 root 5, which is 216.5. so we will write it to be 217 centimeters square, since they've asked for 3 SF, and write in bracket that we have given them as per their requirement of 3 SF. So that is question 7. Let's move to question 8. 8 is very big. 4 marks there. 4 marks there. 4 marks there. 9 is big. Okay, we've got a few big questions coming up. So the first three terms of an AP are this, where p is a constant. Find the value of the 10th term. Okay, so let's find the common difference d first, which is this one right here, 4p minus 26. Again, d is 13 minus p minus 4p plus 1, right, which is 14 minus 5p. We know that d equal to d, so we are just trying to find out the value of p at first, because we need that for the 10th value. Sorry, where's this 25? Okay, 4p minus 26 minus 14 plus 5p, and sorry, equal to 14 minus 5p, or 9p is equal to 40, or p is coming 40 by 9. Therefore T10 is, we know the formula of, okay, first we did not find out the d. D is 4 into 40 by 9 minus 26. What does that give? 160 divided by 9 minus 26. Whenever like you shift to a different part, right, whenever you shift to a different part, again make sure you're converting back, convert back to degree from rad. Always do this, because I, during my preparation, focused on this small things matter a ton. Therefore T10 is 25 plus 10 minus 1. I'm just using a plus n minus 1d using this formula, into minus 74 over 9, which gives you minus 49. So I hope that one is clear as well. The value came minus, yeah, I guess it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. The first three terms of a geometric progression are this, where q is a positive constant. Find the sum to infinity. This time it's a little like different. We need to do r, which is 4q minus 1 by 25. Again, r is 13 minus q by 4q minus 1. Again, we will do r equal to r. We need to find the value of q again. By 25 is equal to 13 minus q by 4q minus 1, or 4q minus 1 whole square is 25 into 13 minus 25q, or 16q squared minus 8q plus 1 is equal to 325 minus 25q, or 16q squared plus 17q minus 324 equal to 0. Or just in the calculator fill in the numbers and just find out the solutions from the calculator itself. Q is equal to 4, as they have told us it's a positive constant, or minus 81 by 16. So this one is not applicable or inadmissible. We will just use this. So r is equal to 4 into 4 minus 1 by 25, which is 15 divided 25, which is 0.6. Finally, s infinity, as they have asked, is a by 1 minus r, and a is 25 by 1 minus 0.6, which is 62.5. What? So sorry. Okay, that is that one. Till now we have done. I hope there is no confusion till now. I'm trying to give the easiest solution to all questions. I don't think it can get any easier, and I am describing every single section that I'm doing, right? So that is 62.5. Any confusions, please feel free to tell in the comment section, of course. Okay, question 9, then 10, 11. Okay. Question 9. The diagram shows part of the curve with equation this and the lines this and this. Okay, we can see the lines. The curve intersects the line y equal to 1 at 1, 1. You can see that too. Find the exact volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is rotated through 360 degree about the x-axis. So it's 2.4 here and 1 here at this point and this, right? So first is we have to find the volume of the cylinder that there is one cylinder with this being the radius. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r squared h, which is pi into 1 squared into the height is 2.4, right, minus 1 at that point. So minus 1, which should give you, it should give you 1.4 pi. Sorry, that's right. You can write units cubed, since there is no centimeter or such thing given to us. Okay, right. Now volume under the curve, this is the main part, which is, I will write the formula down first, pi multiplied, and we will write the limits, and we have to integrate the equation, which is this, right? Isn't that so? I've just converted this, it's converted this to y equal to 5x minus 1. I've just taken the power to negative and minus 1 over 3. I've just done that. Okay, let's now integrate this. So pi 1 by 5 then into 5x minus 4 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 I minus 1 by 3 plus 1, and the limits again. So pi 0.6, right? Here it will be 1 by 3 in the bottom, 1 by 3 in the power, and I hope you know what 3 by 5 is. So the 3 goes up, right? So 3 by 5 is 0.6. I've just written it 0.6 here. And again 5x minus 4, 1 over 3, 2.4 and 1. In the exam I'll show that you're placing the limits, but I'm just giving the direct answer here, right? I'm just giving the direct answer here. But in the exam, show the placing of the limits, right? Okay, so pi 1.2 right, 0.6. This gives you 0.6 pi units cube, right? Therefore shaded volume, show the placing of the limits, just don't show this line, right? I'm just showing it for now. So it's the volume of cylinder, describe this, definitely describe this, minus volume of volume under the curve, always describe this, there is marks for this, you know. So 1.4 pi one mistake, this is 1.4. Wait, Where am I doing a mistake? Oh no. This is, oh my god, what am I doing? This is 1.2. This is correct. This is 1.4 pi minus 0.65. I don't know what the confusion I was about. Whatever. Or you can just like write it to be 4 by 5 pi units cubed, units cubed, units cubed. Anyone works, honestly. So I hope that is clear. The volume of the cylinder, that is the trick only in this type of sums. There's barely any other trick that is given in the main exam. Okay, so I hope that is clear.